I want to show you how I make my potato salad. It's a roasted potato salad, crispy, delicious with that gorgeous unctuous sauce over the top, and you can make it in the air fryer or your oven. Crispy, delicious. What is there not to love? Anyway, you need 500 grams of baby potatoes. I'm using Jersey Royals. You bring them to the boil, you cook them through, and then you cool them. Once they're cooled, I place them on my air fryer tray, and then I just take a glass and squish them down. This makes them real crunchy and delicious. Of course, you add some salt on top, and then it's all about the other seasoning. I love this seasoning. It's a Greek-style lemon and herb, but you could use anything. Rosemary, thyme. Be adventurous. Put a good load of that on there, a good tablespoon or two. Then I want to add 4 garlic cloves that have been cut in half, so I pop them on. And then it's all about the extra virgin olive oil. I do put a good 2 tablespoons of that on. Then I'm going to pop it in my air fryer at 190 degrees centigrade, and for that's around about 30 minutes. That's approximate, but different air fryers give different results. So I will just place that as a bit of a warning. Again, if you're using an oven, just make sure you preheat it first. Now, whilst that's cooking away, it's time to make that delicious sauce. I've used 4 spring onions there, the big, nice, chunky ones. And then I'm going to add in 3 tablespoons of natural yoghurt and 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Just give that a little mix round first. Then I add in a sprinkling of salt and a good grinding of pepper. I then remove the garlic cloves and I just squish them out of the shells. And then I'm going to add that into the mixture. But I love this. I like adding some garlic granules. You can't beat them. Around about a half to 1 teaspoon of those garlic granules. I am a bit of a garlic freak. And then just before you're about to serve, place it in a nice big dish. And then you're going to drizzle over that sauce. I tell you, this is so good. You're going to want to make it over and over again. And if you want the full written recipe of this roasted potato salad, you can find it on my website, cookingwithemily.co.uk.